How to fix low headphone volume in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and haptics. Now scroll down in last and then click on headphone safety. If you turn on reduce loud audio, then turn it off. After turning off this button, it will increase your headphone volume. After that, go back to your home screen and increase your volume with your side button of your phone, like that. After that, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and scroll down and click on general. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and go back to your home screen and swipe down to your control center and turn on or off airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After that, go back and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.